Previously, I showed you how to create your own universal remote. It works by simply copying the existing remote controller that you have in the house, for instance, the TV remote. We copy the power command button, and then we recreate the signal using the IR transmitter. One other thing I realized is that the transmit range is not that great, maybe within 3 feet. After about 10 feet, the signal degrades significantly, making the remote simply unusable. So today, we're going to create something even better. This one does not require line of sight, and the range is much better than ever before. Here you can see that we're using 3 infrared LEDs along with 1 transistor to significantly boost the range. Let's look at the wiring diagram using cricketdesigner.com. Here you got the infrared LED all lined up in serial connections. This is the positive end VCC, goes straight into the 5 volts. And then ultimately on this side right here, which is the negative or ground, it goes into the emitter of the transistor. By the way, looking at the transistor, there are 3 prongs. How do you know which prong belongs to which? Well, the middle one will always be the base, right? It doesn't matter which side you flip it to. On this side right here, this is the flat side. That's why to the right of it will be the emitter, and on the other end is the collector. The collector goes straight to the ground. The emitter goes straight to the end of the negative of the LED. And then the base of the transistor ultimately goes into the receiver of the D1 Mini. Looking at the code of the ESP Home, you can see that it's not much different than the other code that we used earlier before for the simple transmitter. You got the pins. In this case, this is GPIO 3, as you saw earlier in the wiring diagram. This switch right here will be used to control the Christie projector that I have in the house. And this is the associated command and address because it uses the NEC protocol. If you're using other protocols like Samsung or LG or whatever, please refer to this website for the complete syntax of it. Hopefully this video helps you improve the infrared transmit range of whatever remote that you want to duplicate. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.